when you get a strong power move into an area of support or a resistance, either way, just try and get a price action confirmed, either a possible bearish pressure or possible candlestick pattern rejection. Let me show you what I mean. Let me check my 15 minutes chart. This is daily chart. Let me check 4 hours chart. You can see there was a rejection at this support here, at this resistance. Sorry, look at it. There was a rejection of the bearish pressure. So now, if this bearish candle engulf, this candle, you can see it engulf this candle, it will be a nice profit to take. Look at it. My bot signal has given me the 3 entries, but I just took the last one, so it's moving now and it's in profit already. Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify reversal at support and resistance. How to identify if a support or a resistance will reverse at that point. Number one, you need to understand that for every market you are trading in this life, this market have to have 2 things: its trend direction and its momentum. So look at this now. Based on this thing I have shown you, clearly this market have what? Have 1, 2 touches up and down. That means this is a clear horizontal channel that identifies a ranging market between support and a resistance. Look at it here. The market moves from here, from this support though to the resistance, retested this support, go back to the resistance again, and it's now trying to come down and retest this support again. So look at it. So how to identify if a support or a resistance will hold? Anytime you look at a support or a resistance as any chart from anywhere, just try to identify that a support or a resistance that will hold is always a support or a resistance that will give you good money. That's what you should understand. A support or a resistance that hold is always the support and resistance that will give you money. So let me show you what I mean. Any support or resistance that hold is a support or resistance in which you will sell at that point and you start making profit. This is 4 hours chart. Look at the daily chart. The market is rejecting the level. Let's go back to 1 hour chart and see the magic here. You see, look at it. See how the market reacts to this level and see how these big candles. This market is even going down 404. It was 410 before, but the market is still coming down. So you see, number one, you need to see what? You need to see a strong power move into an area of support or a resistance. Look at it here. A strong power move. A strong power move. You see this green movement. See all this movement you are seeing. All this one. All this you are seeing, that's the green power move into, because this is an area of of resistance, but see how market is trending towards that area comfortably. What happens the next thing? The market retraces, and after the market retraces, the market continue to show sign of what? Sign of rejection. So when you are trading, when you want to identify a support or a resistance that will hold, number one, you have to identify what level of structure from that market you are looking your entry at. Probably you are looking at it as a support or as a resistance. Fine. Assuming this one now that we are taking a look at, we are looking at it as a resistance. Number one, you need to see a strong power move into that area of support or a resistance. Like now, this power move we have seen. You see big body candles. All these candles green. This is a downtrend, but look at green candles. This market is completely in a downtrend. Look at it. It's in a downtrend. But see how green candles arrange this area like mad. Sorry, I've touched the levels. But see how green candles. See these green candles that shift this market up. This tells me our market has reached what? A demand zone. And it has to go and touch a supply zone. So market is reacting to supply zone. So if you want to identify a support or resistance at reversals where they will turn, it's better you always identify them at what? As normal areas where you can find your support or resistance, which are the basic demand and supply zone here. So that's just it. So look at it. You see, this market has spiked down again. You see, 471. This is magic with this magic bomb strategy. So you see, I have gotten the entry already, and after I've gotten the entry, I've already posted it in my channel group, and I have to update them with this signal. Look at it here. Look at it now. So the market is coming down. So let me show you what is happening here. You see, the market will be coming down. So let me show you how I got the entry using our magic bomb strategy here. I've gotten the entry here. I got all my all my entries confirmed. Let me show you. Let me use the horizontal the vertical support line. Look at it here. So after this three top that was formed here, after this three top that was first way, market touched this area and it touched this area and it rebounds down. See, market is truly going down. I've already given the signal in my BIP group. Let me see. Bomb strategy is talking. Magic bomb strategy is talking. Magic bomb strategy is talking. That's cool. This is just cool. I have to update all my BIP members with everything I need to update them. So that's just it. You can see the mark is cool. Let me pin this message. Yeah. So that's just it. You need to understand when market approaches support or resistance, always to identify what kind of movement is the market making towards that support or resistance. Is it a strong movement? If it's a strong movement, that means you have to count down. Probably the market is trying to make a returning movement, which will give you a very good pips. Like now, imagine I already in profit here already. Credit is from 500 coming up small, and we still hold this trade and respond to it. قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى